Today our topic is related to adjectives only. Adjectives you have already learned. Adjectives are the words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. And today you are going to learn about the comparison of adjectives. The comparison of adjectives is known as the degree of comparison. The comparison of adjectives is known as the degree of comparison. And there are mainly three degrees of comparison of adjectives. And these are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let me tell you one example. As adjectives, it can tell us about the kind, the color or the number of a noun or a pronoun. So let us take an example of color. White color. White, whiter, whitest. White, whiter, whitest. White we can say as a positive degree, whiter, comparative degree and whitest, superlative degree. So let's learn one by one. The first one is positive degree. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. For example, Neha is a tall girl. Here, I am not comparing Neha with anyone. There is no comparison. So here, tall is a positive degree. Tall is a positive degree. Next one is she is intelligent. Here there is also no comparison. So intelligent here is a positive degree. And positive degree we can also use when two persons or two objects are same. Two persons or two objects are same. For example, Neha is as tall as Riya. Both Riya and Neha, they are of same height. So they are of same height, so there is no comparison. So I am using the word as tall as. Neha is as tall as Riya. She is as intelligent as her brother. She is as intelligent as her brother because both are of same kind. So in that case, we can also say it as a positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when two persons or two objects are being compared. Comparative degree is used when two objects or persons are being compared. For example, Neha is taller than Riya. Here there is comparison between Neha and Riya. So taller here is a comparative degree. And tall is a positive degree, and in case of tall I added the word ER to make it comparative. ER to make it comparative. She is more intelligent than Shruti. In case of comparative we can also add the word more to make the positive into comparative. Because in such words such as intelligent, beautiful, we cannot add ER. Intelligenter, no. Beautiful, beautifuler, no. These are incorrect. So in such words we can add the word more to make it comparative. Next one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when there is a comparison between more than two persons or objects. More than two persons or objects. Example, Neha is the tallest among all. Now here Neha is being compared to all and Neha is the tallest. So in this case, in case of superlative degree, we will add EST. What we will add? We will add EST to make it superlative. Now see, tall, taller, tallest. And the second example is she is the most intelligent girl in the class. Now there is a comparison between she and class, the whole class, comparison between more than two persons. So here I have used the word most, M-O-S-T, most. In case of comparative, I use the word more, and in superlative, I use the word most. Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. Now see, in comparative degree, we always use the word then to make comparison. THN, then. And in superlative degree, we always use the word the. THE, the. Now let's see some more examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now see here, I have added ER and EST to make it comparative and superlative. Next one, great, greater, greatest. Young, younger, youngest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Now in this case, as you can see, E is already at the end of the word. Here, E is not there in the first three examples. But in these three examples, E is already there. So I will only add R. I will not add ER because E is already there. So I will not add ER. I will only add R. In this case, we added ER and EST. But in this case, we only add R, and in superlative, we will add ST. Next one is happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Now in these examples, Y is there. So in place of Y, we will write I. In place of Y, we will write I. Then, after writing I, we can add ER. After writing I, we can add ER. Happy, happier, happiest. And in case of superlative, after writing I in place of Y, we will add EST. Next one is red, redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest. Now in this case, you can see I have doubled the letter D. Here also and here also. And in this case, I have doubled the letter G. The last letter of the word red and big. Because these letters are of only one vowel sounds. When the words are of one vowel sounds, we will just add the last, we will just double the last letter to make it comparative and superlative, and then we will add ER and EST. Red, redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest. Next one is beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Hungry, more hungry, most hungry. In case of comparative, we will use more, and in case of superlative, we will use most. Next to good, better, best. These are irregular adjectives. These are irregular adjectives. Good, gooder, goodest. No. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Okay. So these are the 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. Positive when there is no comparison. Comparative when there is comparison between two, and superlative when there is comparison between more than two. Okay, thank you.